Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I'm going to solve here 7th week physics assignment for the students of SCC 2021 batch. So this assignment for the reflection of light chapter 8 from the physics. So let's see what is the questions. Here SCC 2021 batch 7 week physics assignment number 5, and this assignment there is a one creative questions from the chapter 8. So actually this assignment, fifth assignments from the reflections of light is a one creative questions. There are three questions separately, A, B and C, just one creative questions. Actually this creative questions is related with the geometry. Basically by doing the geometrical calculations you have to find the answer of number B and number C. So let's see what is the first questions. The first questions, the requirement is if an object is in front at the plane mirror and its image will be the back side of the mirror, and this image will be the real or virtual. So now this is our questions requirement. Answer to the question number A we can write here in the way. The mirror we see at home to look our face is basically the plane mirror. So basically we use here the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. The image is created by placing an object in front of the plane mirror is a virtual or unrealistic image. So if you write here the image is virtual, you will get here 1 marks out of 2. If you draw the figure here, you will get 2 out of 2. So why this is a virtual image? Because we cannot touch the image. We cannot touch and throw it on the skin. That means we cannot throw it on a skin, or we cannot touch the virtual image. So there are two figures of the plane mirror. So you can write here the figure name is plane mirror. So in this plane mirror, there are two figures. Anyone you can use in the exam hall or in your assignment. So now second questions, the relations between image and object in front of the plane mirror. So now answer to the question number B. A is an object placed in front of the mirror. Any ray, incident ray AB, perpendicularly reflected on the mirror mm prime, and then is reflected back BA. This is the reflected back to BA. And another ray AC incident obliquely on the mirror AC and is reflected to CD. Now another point, if the reflected ray BA and CD is extended backward, they meet at the point A prime. As this is the reflected ray are coming from the point A prime and situated behind the mirror, therefore the point A prime is called the virtual image of the A. So that is the explanations of the figure. Now mathematically we have to find the calculations here. Suppose draw a CE as a normal. This is the perpendicular line, CE as a normal. If this is a parallel line with this one, and this is the transversal. So here we can write these two angles are the same and they are called the alternate angles. So first angles, here the alternate angles. Again, if we think the two lines are parallel and this is their transversals, these two angles will be the corresponding angles. So now if I equals to R, now by making the relation alternate and corresponding, easily you can show here these two angles are the same. So now here, if the two angles are the same, if we consider here this is a triangle, just this is a triangle, here the two angles are the same. When the two angles are the same in a triangle, that there means fundamental theorems of the triangle, when the two angles are the same, their opposite side must be the same. When the two angles same and their opposite side must be same. So now just making the relations in between the two angles. Here, okay, now another point here. There are two triangle here we see. This is the first triangle considered. This is the second triangle. In the two triangles, this is the right angle and there is also a right angle. And AC hypotenuse of this triangle and A prime C is hypotenuse of this triangle. Here AC equal to A prime C, that means hypotenuse are the same of the right angle triangle. And another common side is BC. So we know here RHS at the right angle, hypotenuse and one side. When they are same, this triangle are called the congruent. That means ABC triangle and BA prime C are equal in all respect. Or also you can use this sign here, it's the congruent. So when the two triangles are the congruent, that means their corresponding all side, all angles must be same. So now we can say here AB is equals to BA prime. That means distance of the object from the mirror and distance of the image from the mirror both are the same. So now finally we can say the conclusions. So the ratio of the distance of the object and image from the plane mirror will be the same. Its value is 1. So if we write here, or I think before writing this line, we have to write here ratio of the distance of the object and the distance of image is equals to their ratio. So first distance, there is AB ratio BA prime. So we can write here AB and BA prime and AB both are the same. Their ratio is now 1. I think after doing this line, you can give the conclusion here. So the ratio of the distance of the object and image from the plane mirror will be the same and its value is 1. Now the next question number 3, the requirement, if we change the positions of the mirror with the clockwise theta degree, then what will be the positions of the reflected lines? So suppose this is an mirror here, plane mirror, and there is a perpendicular line and there is a line. So now if this is like this is P and Q and this is O and ON is the normal here. So now if we slightly move the plane mirror is the theta degree angle, and now what will happen here? Okay, now if we move here this one in these positions, yes, this is now angle the theta here. Suppose this is the angle theta, just rotate the clockwise and new positions of the mirror will be P prime and Q prime, and then new perpendicular line will be this. Now this is the new perpendicular line and this is N prime. So, and if this is the incident ray, and now what will be the reflected ray? This is the previous reflected ray. Suppose this is O, A, and this is B, and now this one will be the B, new reflected ray. So what will be the angle between them? This is our requirement. So now from the figure, just step by step write. So first step, okay, now you can see here the properly all informations are given here. A is an object, A is an object in front of the plane mirror, PQ and ray AO from the point A incident and normally to the plane mirror and reflected back OB, and normal ON is drawn at the point O. So that is the introductions of the figure. And here by using the color we can show here this is I and this is R. I equals to R, incident angle and reflected angle. So this whole angle will be the 2 times of reflected angle or incident angle. Yes, you can write here. Now, according to the question requirement, if we slightly move the mirror from the positions PQ to the P prime Q prime with the angle theta, and there will be must be theta, and reflected angle here, incident ray is the fixed here, the reflected move to here, OB to OB prime. So there will be the new angle, and it is our requirement. Find the positions of the angle BOB prime. So now, just according to the questions requirement, we have done the work, and here slightly rotate the mirror from the positions PQ to P prime Q prime, and then the new normal will be ON prime, and new reflected ray will be OB prime. So everything is given here properly. Now I equals to R. So what is the new I here? Just identify from the figure. This is the new normal. So this is now new I. That means incident angle. And here new reflected angle. This is the new reflected angle. So I equals to R, incident angle. And in the same way now, as like as previous one, this is the whole angle is the 2 times of incident angle or reflected angle. This is, suppose this is the incident angle and this is the whole angle, incident ray and reflected ray, that is considering them. This is the whole angle is the 2 times of incident angle. So here is same. Now next point, just identify here the change of the normal. The normal position changes ON to ON prime, ON to ON prime. NON prime is now Q prime ON. Where is the Q prime ON? This is Q prime ON minus N prime OQ prime. So if the red color angle, green color angle is subtracted from the red color angle, we will get here NON prime. NON prime. So now this value is 90 degree. Just putting here this value is 90 degree. QON. So Q prime ON. Here is Q prime ON is the sum of the 2 angles Q prime OQ and QON prime. Q prime OQ and QON. This is the reflection sum of the 2 angles. And this angle value is theta and this angle is 90 degrees. So doing the calculation, normal changes to the same angle theta. If we reflected here with the angle theta mirror, and then normal will change here theta degree angles. Now, according to the question's requirement, there is another point here. AON prime. Where is AON prime? This is the new AON prime. New incident angle with the new normal. There are 2 angles sum. The first one is this one and this one. So now our final destination is find the value of BOB prime. That means how to changes the reflected ray from the previous ray. This is the change. So now the change is now AOB prime. Like AOB prime, this is the whole angle. This whole angle minus this angle, you will get this one. So now putting their value from the previous line, AOB prime, like AOB prime is given here. This one value is given here. Another value is also given here, AOB. Now putting this value, okay, putting this value here, one value is this one, another value is this one. Taking here AON prime, now put this one, AON prime is equals to this one. Just now multiply with the 2, then do the simplifications. We can eliminate this one, and this is now angle. Already we have done, this is the theta, so 2 times of theta. So now just OA line in the fixed position, that means incident ray in the fixed positions, if we changes the mirror in the theta degree angle, and the reflected ray changes with the 2 times of the theta. That means if this is the 20 degree angle, if we change the mirror, then reflected ray will be 40 degree. If we change here the 50 degree theta, and the reflected ray will move here 30 degree. That means the always is the 2 times. So now just the conclusion here, Keeping the incident ray at the fixed position, if we rotate the mirror at the theta angle, then the reflected ray moves the two times, sorry, there will be two times of the theta. Reflected ray moves the two times of the theta. That means it changes the two times of the theta. So now according to the question requirement, this answer is okay. I think, dear students, I hope you got the point, and so you can take the screenshot from the questions. And this is one of the most important assignments. By using the geometrical diagram, geometrical explanations, you have to solve the question number B and C. I hope all of you have understood these questions properly. If you have any question, please let me know, and inshallah I will try to review your comments, and then I will try to answer as per as your demand. And if you like my content, please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends. Thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.